Hi guys, welcome to Theo's Pizza Edit. Today we have our lovely friends Becky Excell in our kitchen. Hi Becky.
Hello, alright.
How are you doing?
I'm really well, thanks. How are you?
Perfect, very good, very good. Today we're gonna do a lovely recipe with, I think, red pesto.
Yeah, so I've named this pizza Hey Pesto, just a bit like Hey Presto.
That's really cool.
I thought it made sense. So I've made my own homemade red pesto. So that contains just sun-dried tomatoes, roasted red peppers, a bit of parmesan, some fresh basil, garlic-infused olive oil, and obviously some pine nuts.
How did you blend this in dry tomatoes?
Yeah, so I literally just chucked it all in the blender. Really simple. And then the pizza obviously has some mozzarella on it.
Mozzarella, yeah.
And I've got some goat's cheese as well for a bit of creaminess.
Grated, I can see here.
Yes. And then some courgette, which we're going to make into ribbons.
I'm gonna help you to
Definitely.
create that one.
Some roasted cherry tomatoes. And then also we've got some toasted pine nuts.
Perfect.
Which
Yeah.
they need to be toasted. It brings out the flavour so much more. And a little bit of basil.
Perfect. I'm really happy to start to help you.
Yeah.
So if you need any help, I can slice some
Yeah, why don't you
courgette.
start slicing those?
I usually cut the courgette a little bit thick than
Yeah.
the usual.
Okay.
So yeah. So when we talk about pizza, I always love to grill the courgette without any oil, anything, because otherwise they get too soggy.
I was going to say, when I do courgette, it's one of the moistest vegetables.
Absolutely.
So much water comes off it.
So just put straight in the pan,
Okay.
then in the griddle.
And how long do you do that for?
You do as soon as you see that they get color. So Becky, what do you think, just a general question, what do you think that the gluten-free industry should improve in the next few years?
I feel that when I speak to other people who are gluten-free, the biggest thing that they always say is they have a problem with the price of gluten-free food. So they always say it's too expensive.
Yeah.
And I kind of understand what they talk about, because when you compare something that isn't gluten-free to something that is gluten-free, the price is different, and I understand why that is, because you've got to have different factories. The ingredients that go into products are they're more expensive. But in time, I'd like to think there's so many people eating gluten-free now that hopefully there's more ingredients needed, so the prices can go down just because of supply and demand sort of thing. The crust looks.
Look, the most important element for a really good crust in general, from gluten-free to conventional, is water. So the water has to be not too hard and not too soft.
Okay.
So that way you can raise properly the crust.
Yep.
Time of raising. They don't need to raise
Yep.
to cook properly and to create that bubble inside the crust. It gets crunchy.
Oh, is that how you
Absolutely,
the time
yes.
is? So why?
This is my secret.
Why actually did you decide that gluten-free was something that you wanted to do? Why did you go down that avenue?
Italian tradition is amazing because it's a huge background of so many traditions.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's absolutely fine. So many traditions, so many recipes, but I think it lacks of innovation and it's a bit straight. So I always wanted to innovate this kind of environment where I learn, where I read my experience.
Okay.
So we can add, I think, a little bit.
Add a few of these. I like to do it just a bit at random, so just sort of chuck them on. I don't.
And this is
Tastes good?
lovely. They're really sweet. Really amazing, actually.
That's good.
Really good.
So, yeah.
That's good.
Okay, cool.
Right.
So I think that's probably
Yeah,
enough.
okay.
Maybe an extra one. There we go.
Perfect.
And then what I do is I'll add some of the toasted pine nuts. So these were just toasted for literally a couple of minutes, less than that. Okay, so just put them on.
So you toasted before?
Yes.
Perfect. Amazing.
Cool. There we go.
We need to add a little bit of this lovely goat cheese
Yes.
grated.
I love goat's cheese so much.
Cheese is an amazing format. So I think that we can put our pizza inside the oven. Temperature, I think cooking time, looking at the pizza, is going to be about 8 to 9 minutes.
Yeah.
Temperature 220, 230.
Okay.
Please, guys, remember to heat up the oven before we cook the pizza. Yes.
There is a lot of cheese on that. That is what I like on a pizza.
Absolutely. So now I think we can slightly improve it with a little bit of...
A little bit more cheese, okay.
Just a little bit around the edges. Yes.
And then I like to put some fresh basil on it, if that's okay.
Perfect.
Yeah?
I completely agree with you. We need just a little bit.
You have got knife skills.
So we're going to chop those one.
Put it
A
on.
little bit on top.
Perfect. and maybe a little drizzle of oil.
Yeah, I leave it to you. That's perfect.
There we go.
Amazing. I think we can slice a bit of pizza.
I would love a slice of this. That base, look how airy it is. Well,
Yeah.
You know how airy it is, don't you?
It's our signature. You can see big difference now when the pizza cooks perfectly. And you can see all the bubble inside.
Loads of bubbles in
That's
there.
our signature. Okay, Becky, thank you so much for your lovely, amazing recipes. I hope you enjoy it.
I
working with
just
us.
want to say I love being here. It's just been good fun, and it's great to share my recipe with someone who knows so much about pizza.
And I'm sure we're gonna have other occasion to share all together. All
Yeah.
our recipes.
Well, I was wondering, shall we go off and have this now? 'Cause
Absolutely.
It looks
It's
great.
great.
Yeah.